The RTX 3080 has finally arrived. And, oh, here it is. Let's check it out. Can't believe something like this is coming through here. This is just amazing. I don't know. I can just keep saying good things, but anyways, let's open the box, check it out, and we'll get it onto the test bench, and we'll see how everything starts working out. So let's go ahead. Oh, it comes out nice and slow. Ooh, look at what you're presented with right there. This is the back of the card too, by the way. So this is just one sweet looking card. Look at that thing. Finned heat sinks all over the, oh, what's that feeling? Oh, ooh. All right. I can dig this. I can dig this for sure. I want to make a quick comparison real quick. A lot of people that have been checking these out have been commenting about how heavy it is, how solid it feels and all that. And I have to say, yes, it's heavy. Yes, it's solidly built. But let's grab this over here real quick. This is an RTX 2080 Super. And in my opinion, it's about just as heavy, if not a little bit heavier, and is as solidly built as this one. It's just a more traditional dual fan design, whereas this thing is just crazy different. But yeah, like they haven't gone leaps and bounds in terms of build quality, solidness, and weight from this one to this one. It's just a completely and unique design while still being solid and weighty and all that stuff. In the box, it also comes with the dual 8-pin to 12-pin adapter that you'll only be finding on the Nvidia Founders Edition card, and plugs into the micro 12-pin right here. Its location being kind of problematic to people who do custom sleeve cables or custom sleeve extensions, but honestly, it's a trade-off I'm willing to go with for the amount of power that you're getting. And I'm sure there's going to be good third-party versions of these ones that will come and resolve that issue. But yeah, I don't know. There might be crappy ones too. I guess we'll find out when people start posting stuff online about, I don't know, connectors making their 3080s and stuff catch fire. But yeah, I don't want to be one of them. Real quick, this fan right here is basically the blower part of the card. Air is going in and then out through here. So air is going, let's see, when it's in like this, basically it's sucking up from the bottom and blowing air out the back. Pretty cool. The backside is more traditional axial fan design. However, it's a different design on the fan where air is being pulled up through it and then up and out your top exhaust fans if that's what your configuration is like. So we're basically combining a blower card and a radial or an axial fan card. And it's really nice because like you have extra heat pipes and stuff going from here to here that will help get any heat that this can't blow out through here for this to blow out. So it should have pretty good cooling performance, but then again, it is a really high powered card. These are only like 92mm fans. So good cooling performance for a high powered card. Just keep that in mind. That doesn't mean at full load it's going to get like 60s or 70s at all times. It might reach into the 80s under like a maximum load event, which is fine because they can operate in the 80s just fine. Looks like we have 2 display ports, 3 display ports, an HDMI 2.1. We'll talk about this as well. And well, that pretty much covers it. No virtual link, so rip virtual link USB Type-C on there. All right, that's enough talking about the physical of the card. It's a graphics card. It feels solid. Fins everywhere. Looks beautiful. So let's get this onto the test bench and get it fired up and show you guys how it performs. All right, let's line this thing up. Okay. Ooh, nice click. What? No, I can't. But I'm like in the middle, I'm about to, are you sure?